The Belling range cookers revolutionise life in the kitchen. Whether you've got a large family to feed or simply love to cook, you can't beat the flexibility and functionality of having multiple oven cavities in one appliance. This small oven heats up quickly and is perfect for small bakes, roasting or grilling. Then the multi-function oven has 13 settings and a 64-litre capacity. It's a truly versatile oven. The tall oven evenly heats from top to bottom, so it's perfect for baking or multiple dishes. And to create even more functionality, the ProFlex splitter is really easy to insert in the tall oven, creating two independent ovens to cook at different temperatures without contamination. The full telescopic rails allow you to smoothly and safely slide out your trays without tipping. Belling gas models come with a powerful wok burner, great for stir fries. And the single-piece construction cooktop makes cleaning easy. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth brings it back to new. Available too in gorgeous bespoke colour customisations. With over 100 years of innovation, you can trust Belling for easy, inspirational and beautiful cooking experiences.